What's going on, guys? Bryan here from 2B Clean Auto Detailing out in Northeast Ohio. Today's video I'm going to show you a special high-end wax that is an amazing wax to be using for your clients who prefer the old school look of the wax and the feel. And this will be called the Reserve Wax by Pinnacle Black Label. So I wanted to show you guys what's in this kit here. You know, a microfiber towel. Get the Reserve Wax. It smells amazing. And then you also get this little diamond shampoo. Sorry for that. A little applicator pad. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what the car looks like beforehand. I'm going to go ahead and wash it, decontaminate it, and all that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to show you guys how to apply it, and then I'm going to show you guys the finishing touch. So stay tuned. So I wanted to break off real quick, and I'm going to clean this tire here with this tire gel cleaner. I've used this before. I did a video on it before. I'll try to leave a card in the video, but it's amazing. You can see this tire's really dirty. It's got a lot of browning here, a lot of oxidation, and you can see the wheel itself really dirty. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to spray a wheel cleaner. Try to showcase a little product first within what I do. Go ahead and do that first, and then I'm going to spray this. They call it a gel. You can see it doesn't really want to move. Spray this on the tire. You can see the brown coming off without even agitation. There's more brown. So what I like to do is I even just use a simple detailing brush. I have an exterior kit and an interior kit. And I'm going to lather up this tire where the iron removal particle stuff is working on the wheel. So while that's nice and lathered up, I'm going to take a different brush and then hit the wheel face. We'll get to the heavier cleaning later, but not in the video. Just wanted to show you guys the good product of that Pinnacle gel tire cleaner. But at the same time, I gotta clean the face of this wheel, so might as well kill two birds with one stone. That way, to start this detail off correct, once I have the wheels and tires dialed in, then I can go ahead and start working on the paint. That's why I felt like it was a little bit necessary to go ahead and show you guys this part. Alright, so I finished up with the entire vehicle, decontaminated it, deep cleaned it, all that kind of stuff, iron removal. Now it's time to prepare to put the wax on. So I figured let's just use the stuff they gave us. We'll use this applicator pad that comes with the kit, and we'll use their microfiber towel to show you this one section. Hopefully we can see a difference in the depth. Now, if you guys can smell that, take a deep breath. Oh, it smells so good. This is a rich blend of Brazilian carnauba and natural fruit oils. They say it will leave an exquisitely brilliant shine. They say just a little bit goes a long way. So let's see here. We'll go from here and out. Very smooth, that's for sure. So I'm just gonna run circular.